To make street-style masala pasta, you will need pasta, flour, sweet chili sauce, soya sauce, all the masala's spice mix, taste maker, salt, sugar, oregano, chili flakes, milk, tomato puree, chopped garlic, onions, chicken, bell pepper, carrot, cheese. Let's get started. Boil water with some salt and oil. Now add pasta and boil for couple of minutes. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, onions, bell pepper, chicken, carrot and sauté for a minute until they soften. Save 1 cup of pasta water. Add flour, mix well. Pour in tomato puree, now all the masalas you like, tastemaker, chili flakes, oregano. Pour 1 cup of milk, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce and pasta water. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Adding cheese and some chopped cashews. Now add cooked pasta to the masala mixture. Mix until the pasta is well coated. Season with salt to taste. Cook for a few more minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves or sesame seeds if you like. Serve hot and enjoy your masala pasta. Feel free to adjust the spice levels and ingredients according to your preference. Thanks for watching.